Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and I love anything that makes organizing a little bit easier. And this belt organizer is changing the game of how I help my husband keep his stuff organized.
If I had to hear, "Honey, where's my belt?" one more time, I was going to scream. But NIUBEE has made this gorgeous acrylic belt organizer that is literally making everything so much easier. I love that it comes with these little feet that you put on the bottom so it's non-skid, and you can fit 7 belts perfectly in a row. You'll always know where they are, and you can see them at a glance. This is just such a perfect organizer, and I love how beautiful it looks with all the belts.
I think this is such a unique way to keep all your belts organized, and I love that my husband loves it, so he continues to use it. So that makes it absolutely priceless to me, and that's my point of view.